So roses, this past wash day I decided to use some products from Mielle Organics, and I started off with this Detangling Co-wash, which was new to me. I didn't really like it because it didn't really help detangling, but it was smooth, light texture, and it smelled great, so it was cool, and it did wash my hair. Then I moved on to the deep conditioner, which has Babassu and mint in it, which I love. And the results after using my grandma heat pad. Super soft hair. And then once washed out, now it's time to get into styling. Leave-in conditioner, I love the scent of it, but the locking mechanism, I don't think so. It just gets in the way. But my hair was super moisturized. I was able to comb it out, and now on to the twisting souffle, which is nice and thick. Feels very moisturizing. So I decided to go with 5 flat twists for styling. And now I did 5, yes, only 5 flat twists using Mielle Organics products. Yeah, let me grab a few. So I use products from the white peony within Mielle Organics, and also from the pomegranate and honey. So hair smells good. My hair is super duper soft. This was super duper simple. Again, it was only 5 flat twists. So if you like what you see, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me if you've used these products before, what you think of them. Co-wash that I used. Would I actually buy it? The verdict is still out on that. I mean, I like the way it smells and everything. I just think I needed a little bit more than the sample size I had. You know, all depends on the amount of hair you have, I guess. I would need to try that a little bit. I would need to try it again using a pre-po that is thinner than the pre-po I used, which was castor oil, and maybe that may help me feel like my hair is a little bit more cleansed. Again, it is a co-wash, so it is moisturizing. My hair is super moisturized, so it just depends. If it were to go on sale or something, I might get it, purchase a full size of it. And as far as the Babassu and mint deep conditioner goes, I've already used the full size product of this. I loved it. Would I purchase it again? Yes, I would. So this was something I was already familiar with. If you are a fan of mint, you'll love this. So yeah, other than that, that's it. Subscribe if this is your first time to my channel, or if you've been to my channel before and you just haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.